Helping everyone respect others.
I want you to know we could be bully-free, but it starts with you and me. Because that's where it starts. It starts with you being respectful on the school bus, in the classroom, hallway, playground, lunchroom, and even on social media.
You see, a dream maker makes good choices. They respect others with their words and actions.
We all look different, act different. We like different things. In other words, we all have different superhero powers. I have good news. A bystander has the power to make a positive difference by becoming a super upstander, to stand up and be a hero. When you are a upstander, you are a true superhero.
Call today, 1-888-315-6772, or go to www.omegamanschools.com and have the #1 school assembly in your classroom.